Today, we're extracting a new field from our data using the delimiter method. Let's jump right in. We start by running a search on our SimCube beta data. From the search results, we expand an event, and from the Event Actions menu, select Extract Fields. We'll select Delimiter to extract fields using a delimiter of our choice, then select Next. We'll choose comma as our delimiter, as our data is consistently separated by a comma. Then we will click the pencil icon and enter a name for each field. Even if the fields aren't renamed, they will still be extracted, as Field 1, Field 2, and so on. In the preview section, we'll review the _raw data and the extracted fields, as well as explore matched and non-matched events. We select Next and enter a name for the extraction. Update the permissions to App or Global so others may use the extraction, and click Finish to save. We'll return to the homepage of the Search and Reporting app and run the original search once more. The new fields we just extracted are now available on the field sidebar every time we run our search.